Hello everyone, I am Anjali Kumari from BCom Professional Second Sem and I am here to present a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Fundamentals of Partnership. First, we need to know what is partnership. According to Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, in partnership there should be two or more persons who have agreed to share their profit in some ratio and in all of them, if all is working or anyone will be working for all. What are the features of the partnership? First feature is two or more partners. There must be, minimum should be 2 and maximum should be 50% if they are coming into a partnership business. Agreement. There should be a partnership agreement which is partnership deed which should contain terms and conditions of the business. Third is existence of a business and profit motive. There must be an aim of the business for what the business is running and they must have a profit motive. Sharing of profit. All the partners must have some ratio. It could be their profit sharing ratio will be there while a business is running. Relationship of business and agent. The principal is over here, the business, and the agent is businessman. There must be a positive relationship between the running business and the partners. What is a partnership deed? Partnership deed is an agreement which contains all the terms and conditions of the business. It is also called the articles of partnership or partnership deed. Thank you.